नाउ हाँ नेटवर्क
आ गए।
चलो भाई आ जाओ
अच्छा
राइट जस्ट a minute now the screen is visible to you that MATLAB simulation screen scope view Nishant okay you can notice the moment you trigger the device output voltage start coming and it is going to be and where it is pi this instant is pi at this instant positive half cycle ended so it is ended here now let us do some mathematical analysis of this right as we know this AC regulator it is like this right we have also seen the its voltage and current waveform it was something like this clear so it is no longer the sinusoidal waveform we have to do the Fourier analysis of this waveform isn't it that we have to do how we can do the Fourier analysis we know V output this is T1 this is T2 and this is V in which is equal to Vm sin omega t and this voltage is V output and the current is I output clear so this V output is given by summation of An sin omega t plus summation of Bn cos n omega t and this is also n omega t An sin n omega t plus Bn sin n omega t and summation is going from 1 3 5 so on n equal to 1 3 5 so on up to infinity there should not be any even order harmonic right because of symmetricity there should not be any even order harmonic clear Prabhat Mishra is entering now so late okay so this is like now what would be the value of A it would be quarter bit symmetry 2 by pi 0 to pi V output sine n omega t d omega t here it would be like this similarly Bn is equal to 2 upon may pi integration 0 to pi I am doing this analysis for resistive load so this V output is valid from 0 to pi if device is triggered at an angle 0 here Alpha is equal to what? Alpha equal to 0, alpha equal to 0, this alpha is equal to 0. Alright, so it is equal to V0 cos n omega t d omega t. Right? Okay. Now this angle is alpha. Output voltage, this is V output. It is available from 0 to from alpha to pi. So an has to be changed like this. Why? Yeah, you can write like this. V output is equal to Vm sin omega t. कब के लिए? For how much duration? Alpha less than omega t less than pi. Clear? So an is come out to be twice Vm upon a pi alpha to pi sin omega t and sin and omega t d omega t. Clear? Once you solve this, today is 26/03/2020. You just share all these notes, because yesterday I asked to all of you, just send your notes. No one has sent, right? Those who are not able to do this online class, they can at least see these notes, right? Now, this an, if you solve this, an is come out to be Vm upon me pi alpha to pi cos n minus 1 omega t minus cos n plus 1 omega t d omega t. Right? And this is further equal to Vm upon me pi sine of n plus 1 alpha upon n plus 1 minus sine of n minus 1 alpha upon n minus 1, where n is order of harmonic. Prabhat and Pratik, I can see your video. So is it okay? You just raise your hand so that, okay, Pratik is saying, okay, Prabhat, I have seen. Okay, fine. So this is the order of harmonic, means if you talk about the fundamental value of n is 1. If you talk about third harmonic, it is 3, so on and so forth. There should not be any even order harmonic because of symmetric nature of the waveform. Clear? Now, Bn. What would be the value of Bn? Similarly, we can derive this for Vn. It is 2 Vm upon me pi alpha to pi sine of omega t cos of n omega t d omega t. If you solve this, you will get, it is come out to be Vm upon pi cos of n plus 1 alpha minus 1 upon n plus 1 minus cos of n minus 1 alpha minus 1 upon n minus 1. Right? This you will get. Now, what would be the fundamental voltage? Can anybody tell how to find out the fundamental voltage? How to find out the fundamental voltage? You just put n equal to 1. The moment you put n equal to 1, this quantity is something upon 0. This quantity is something upon 0. Neither an means A1 or B1, you cannot find with this method. Rest of the thing you can find, no issue. Third, fifth, seventh, every harmonic you can find. But it is difficult to find A1, B1 because 1 upon 0 is something upon 0 is infinity. You cannot evaluate. You won't have definite value of An and Bn. So what you have to do? You have to find out the value of An and Bn by fundamental principle. And what is the fundamental principle? You just write A1 is what? It is 2 upon pi. A1 is 2 upon pi alpha to pi Vm sine omega t sine n omega t. Here n is 1. So it would become sine square omega t d omega t. When you solve this, you will get it is come out to be Vm upon pi sine of 2 alpha upon 2 plus pi minus alpha. Similarly, B1 is come out to be 2 upon pi integration alpha to pi Vm sine omega t cos n omega t, and n is equal to 1, cos omega t d omega t. It is come out to be Vm upon pi cos of 2 alpha minus 1 upon 2. Right? Let us say these are your equation 1 and 2. Right?
सर थोड़ा नीचे कर दीजिए दिखने में.
Okay. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Good. And what will be the peak value of? V1m. It is nothing but under root of A1 square plus B1 square. A1 square plus B1 square. What would be the fundamental peak value of fundamental current? It is nothing. V1m upon my resistance R. This will give you the fundamental peak value of the fundamental current. Clear? Can I move forward? This meeting is going to be end within 2 minutes 17 seconds. Once it is off, we will again restart, right? So no need to be in hurry. Is it fine? We can move forward. Further we can move. Can anybody tell? Okay, Richa is saying yes. So I believe everyone noted it down. Now,
सर पहले वाले का स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें सर.
which one? Wait. बताइए.
हाँ सर यही वाला. हाँ सर यही वाला. हाँ स्क्रीनशॉट.
आपको पूरा आ रहा है? दो टुकड़ों में ले लीजिए आप. नहीं
सर
तो
इससे पीछे वाला सर. इससे पीछे वाला.
Wait a minute. This.
एक मिनट सर. थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर दीजिए.
Divyanshu, I suggest you want to take, no problem at all, but at the same time now you just try to note it down. If I am in so hurry, you just stop me. First one you write yourself. आ गया दिव्यांशु देखो. अभी आ रहा है. पूरा आ रहा है ना?
कैसा?
Okay. Because now there is some constraint that means I cannot do zoom in, zoom out, so that it would come in 2 pic. That will create some confusion. That is why I am suggesting you just note it now. Right? Now we have fundamental. Please unmute Oh, sorry. I mean, mute your mic. Okay, everyone muted. Everyone muted. Good. Very good. Now, any nth order harmonic, it would be given by peak of any other harmonic, that is V and M. V and M. N is the order, M is maximum value of any particular harmonic. It would be under root of